Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to start problem number 27, which says find the potential on the axis of uniformly charged solid cylinder, a distance z from the center. The length of cylinder is L, its radius is R, and charge density is rho. Use your result to calculate the electric field at this point. All right. So the question says problem number 27, page 87. All right, so we have a solid cylinder here, somewhat like this, and it is of length L and radius R. All right, and we need to calculate the electric field, electric potential at a distance z from its center of axis. So let this be point P, and this is a center. So this distance is z, and this distance is L. All right, so we need to calculate the electric field or potential here. So first of all, as it is a solid cylinder, so we need to use cylindrical coordinates. So let us as we know that V is equal to KQ by R, and here R is Z square plus R square under root. All right, and Q we need to use rho d tau. All right, so for d tau for cylindrical coordinates is R dr, d phi, and dz. All right, so let this be R dash, and this is R because we are taking a small portion of that cylinder of thickness dr, and which is at distance R from the center. All right, that is why R dash will be under root R z square plus R square. So V is equal to K, Q is rho R dr d phi dz, and volume integration divided by under root z square plus R square. So on integrating we get K, on integrating d phi we get 2 pi, and rho outside we get R dr and dz upon under root z square plus R square. So we have calculated this integral in our problem number 25. So I am writing it directly. Let me just focus. Yes. So we got there that from that integral, on solving that integral, we got that integration of 2 pi k rho integration of under root R square plus Z square. All right, R square plus Z square minus Z dz, and the limits are from the limit of z are important here. So let us see the limit of limit of z. First of all, z is this part only. All right, so this is L by 2, this part only, this is L by 2, and this is z minus L by 2. All right, similarly for downside also z plus L by 2. So the integration goes from z minus L by 2 to z plus L by 2, limit of integration z minus L by 2 to z plus L by 2. I hope you got that how the limit changed here. All right, so we got 2 pi k rho integration z minus L by 2 z plus L by 2 under root R square plus Z square minus Z dz. So this is the standard integral, and on integrating it, first this is a standard integral, and it can be solved by putting Z as R tan theta and we get secant cube theta and then solving it further. So I am writing it directly. You may recheck it in your rough notebook, otherwise the video will be quite lengthy, so it can be easily solved. So you get 2 pi k, let me just see, focus, yes, it is correct, 2 pi k rho, and then we get here z under root r square plus z square plus r square ln x plus under root z plus r square plus z square minus z square, and here we get all have under common 2 and the limit from z minus 2 to z minus l by 2 to z plus l by 2. Alright, now let me just quickly switch the page and solve further. So now solving further, we get 2 pi k rho z plus l, putting the limits z plus l by 2 under root r square plus z plus l by 2 whole square minus z minus l by 2 under root r square minus r square plus z minus l by 2 whole square plus r square ln z plus l by 2 plus under root r square plus z plus l by 2 whole square divided by z minus l by 2 plus under root r square plus, let me just focus, yes, r square plus z minus l by 2 whole square. Alright, and minus 2 pi k rho into 2 zl. Alright, so solving further, we get 2 pi k rho common, or I shall write 2 pi k, let me just focus, or I should write 2 pi k as rho by 2 epsilon naught z plus l by 2 under root r square plus z plus l by 2 whole square minus z minus l by 2 under root r square plus z minus l by 2 whole square plus r square ln, this term is same, minus 2zl and common with, yeah, I guess you can see. So this will be the potential on the cylinder, solid cylinder. This is the answer. You can verify electric field by just applying the simple formula E is equal to minus del dot V and taking divergence of this term. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thank you.